Hi guys, it's Jen Ferguson here with Artistic Painting Studio, and I have a really fun project. We are going to do some Christmas ornaments, and aren't these just the cutest? I couldn't resist the square shape, so let's go have some fun. Okay, guys, I'm super excited about these ornaments. I'd been seeing them online, thought they were so adorable. So let's go have some fun and turn this into a beautiful keepsake. So I'm finding that it is easiest to pull off the toppers so that you have something to hold on to. There's many ways that you can work on these. You can put like a cork inside the hole and then use a stick to put inside the cork to hold on to them, okay? I have just been holding on to them with the round part here and then using these clips, okay, to clip them onto a hanger. So when I'm ready to let this dry, okay, just make sure you got the hanger on there first, clip it, and then they're going to be able to hang and dry and you won't have to worry about anything touching them. So best to have these clips already on your hanger first, okay? So prep is that they're plastic, and plastic can be sometimes a challenge. So I'm going to clean, and I'm going to clean with our 91% isopropyl alcohol. Y'all know I always have it in a spray bottle. It is a big spray bottle, okay? And I'm going to spray onto a paper towel because otherwise it's just going to splatter everywhere. And clean that surface really well, okay? Trying to make sure that I've got any dirt, any oils, everything off that surface I can possibly get off of there. And then we want to make sure that our foil adhesive is going to adhere well. So our next step is going to definitely be our Artsyville Embellishments foil adhesive. And I'm going to go ahead and put on a full coat, okay? So I like to use a paper plate. Let's just grab one. Here's my sticky plate, okay? I feel like I can control my adhesive better if I get some out of the container, put it onto my sticky plate, and I'm going to go ahead and do a full coverage. Okay, so I'm going to get right up to this top edge and paint everywhere with the foil adhesive. Okay, if you feel like you've got to move it in your hand and you're afraid you're going to touch, okay, use a paper towel, or you can also glove up so that you don't end up putting your fingers back on there, which would transfer some oil, okay, back from your hands. So full coverage of foil adhesive, trying to get my brush strokes as neat as possible. Huh. Sometimes I'm better than others, okay? Let's see if I can get this to turn. Get the other side. And as you can see, well, I'm hoping you can see, it goes on milky white looking. And the foil adhesive will go from looking milky white to clear and shiny. So you want to let this dry. And I do suggest, because we are on plastic, okay, and I'm just giving it a good once over, trying to make sure that I have not missed anything, okay? You want to let this sit for 24 hours, okay? I know it seems ridiculous, but we're not priming the plastic, so we got to allow the foil adhesive to dry to a nice firm hard tack and bond to that plastic. So we're going to give this an overnight dry and we'll be back to have some fun. Okay guys, we are back. Our ornament has completely dried, and I wanted to show you guys there is a little difference. So you're going to end up with a little bit of hazing once you paint on the foil adhesive, but It has dried. It's super tacky. As you can see, it's sticking to my fingers. One of my tips and tricks is when you want to lay it down and you're not sure which foil, or, you know, you want to just be safe, always put it on wax paper, because it will not stick to the wax paper. It would stick to this white paper I have underneath, but it's not going to stick on the wax paper. The other thing I have found is my tumbler stands, okay? Absolutely worked wonderful for allowing these to stand up and dry, and I didn't have to try to hang them up. So another great place to be able to let them dry in the process, okay? So I have picked one of my favorite foils. It is Wild Leopard Spots. It's in the gold print, okay, and large, okay? This one has a lot of names. So Wild Leopard Spots, large gold. And I'm trying to, okay, it likes to curl, as you guys can see, okay? So I'm going to just use a couple of my things here, my brush and the toothbrush, and then we're just going to do a full wrap on this one. And there's so many ways to do these. I thought about even doing glitter. You could do just the front and the back and do glitter on the sides. I mean, I'm just going to wrap this one up like a present, though, okay? And see if we can get full coverage on this. Oh, this is going to be so cute. So you can either use your stiff toothbrush, your nail brush. Either one is going to work. Whatever is easiest for you. But you're going to want to scrub everything well, okay? Because the scrubbing transfers the foil to the surface, releases it from the carrier sheet. And then I'm just going to make sure I've got all the sides, the bottom, and then this top. Now, because of the opening, okay, the top of it did get a little bit more of a wrinkle to the foil, so we'll see how that comes out. And then, oh my gosh, look how great that looks, okay. If you start to see someplace maybe it didn't transfer all the way, or you want to try to scrub a little bit again, just lay it back down and give it another scrub. Oh, this is going to be so fabulous. And the transfer is really spectacular with this one. I'm just making sure I'm not missing anything here. Getting all those corners. Oh, that's what happened. Okay, it got caught upside down. Okay, so let me try to fix that corner. Couldn't figure out why it wasn't doing something there. Okay. And I think we got it filled in. Okay, you guys, look how cute that is. Okay, I feel like it looks like a little purse, but these are going to be fabulous. Okay, so once you're done transferring your foils, you guys have as much fun as you want. You can definitely seal these, which we're going to seal them. I'm going to use my Final Coat Low Gloss, and I would suggest sealing it before you do anything else. That way you can repair something or just protect the foils in that process. But you can definitely customize this with somebody's name. Merry Christmas 2024. These will be adorable even to attach on gift bags and have a special ornament for all your family and friends. Okay, so like I said, the last thing we're going to do is top coat this to protect it. Let me grab a brush here. I'm going to pour some of the final coat out onto a plate. It doesn't take much. This stuff goes a long ways, okay? And then again, you can see how easy it is to hold on to these ornaments and use my tumbler stand to do that, okay? Definitely easier than trying to just hold on to it with your finger. And then once you have it covered, just let it dry. You might want to put on a couple of coats, and then you're going to have a wonderful gift to give to one of your family or friends. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and thanks for hanging out with me again today. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this fun Christmas ornament tutorial. You will find a full list of all materials and supplies in the description below, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our fun tutorials.